something happened one magical night. I forgot that you existed, and I thought it would kill me, but it didn't. What's up everyone, I'm Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. So Taylor Swift has dropped her album Lover TS7 and it is so amazing. All the tracks on there are like so amazing masterpieces, like wow, so like awesome. I was so excited to just like listen to it, and now that I have, she has so many beautiful songs on there, and it's just so awesome to see that this is her 7th album and that she has so much more in her left to say. So it's absolutely beautiful. So in today's video I wanted to do a beginner's acoustic guitar tutorial for I Forgot That You Existed, the first song off of Taylor Swift's album Lover. And I'm gonna try to be doing guitar tutorials for all of the songs off of her new album, so stay tuned for that. And in the description box below I'll have all the timestamps for the chords, the strumming pattern, the chord progression, and the play along, so check that out if you're interested. So if you want to learn how to play I Forgot That You Existed by Taylor Swift, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so first I'm going to zoom in here and show you the chords. Alright guys, so the first chord you'll need to know is C. Next is A minor. Next is E minor. Next is G. And D. Alright guys, so now that you know the chords for the song, I'm going to zoom you in again here and show you the strumming pattern for the song. Alright guys, so the strumming pattern is quite simple for this song. It's just a down strum, an up strum, and a hit. So if we mute the strings here, down, up, hit, down, up, hit, down, up, hit. So it's super simple, and I just use my thumb to just brush across the strings, down and up, and then hit. If you want, you can just do down strums if it's easier for you. You can use a guitar pick and just do down strums if that's easier for you, or if you want to be more creative, you can do a picking pattern or something like that. But for this one, for this beginner's guitar tutorial, I just do a simple down, up, and then hit strumming pattern, so it makes it simpler to learn. So yeah, that's the strumming pattern. Alright, so next I wanted to show you the chord progression for this song. So you're going to need the capo on the 5th fret here. The chord progression is C, A minor, E minor, and G. And that's the main chord progression that I follow throughout the song. So if we put it together with the strumming pattern, this is what it would look like. C, A minor, E minor, G. And the strumming pattern does change 2 other times. Next, I'll show you the strumming pattern for the pre-chorus. So the part where she says, "Then something happened one magical night." What I do is I just do single down strums. So I do C, I do E minor, and then I do G. So to put it together with the lyrics and strumming, this is what it would look like. Then something happened one magical night. And the chord progression does change again at the bridge. So for the bridge, when she says, "Sent me a clear message, taught me some hard lessons," I just forget what they were, it's all just a blur. A minor, E minor, and then G, and then D. So to put it together with lyrics and the strumming, this is what it would look like. Sent me a clear message, taught me some hard lessons, I just forget what they were, it's all just a blur. I forgot that you existed. And then you would just go into the regular main strumming pattern. So that's the chord progression for the bridge. Alright guys, so now that you know the chords, the chord progression, the strumming pattern, take a minute and pause the video if you want to learn it a bit better. Feel free to also look in the description box for the timestamps of the chords, the strumming pattern, and the chord progression. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the play along section where I'm going to play the song and then you can play along, and I'll have the chords on the screen so you can follow. So yeah, let's get into the play along here. How many days have I spent thinking about how you did me wrong, wrong, wrong? Lived in the shade you were throwing till all my sunshine was gone, gone, gone. And I couldn't get away from you, and my feelings more than Drake. So yeah, your name on my lips, tongue tied, free rent living in my mind. But then something happened one magical night. I forgot that you existed, and I thought it would kill me, but it didn't. It was so nice, so peaceful and quiet. I forgot that you existed. It isn't love, it isn't hate, it's just indifference. I forgot that you existed. Alright guys, so that is my beginner's guitar tutorial for I Forgot That You Existed by Taylor Swift. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more guitar tutorials like this and covers, then click that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.